Hello students, welcome to part 13 of the chapter Organic Chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. So last class we studied about rules for IUPAC nomenclature of alkenes and alkynes, or they are also known as unsaturated hydrocarbons. So in this class we are going to learn how to name different classes of organic compounds. So first one, alcohols. Alcohols are the functional group of alcohol is OH. This OH is nothing but functional group. And the secondary suffix is OL. Functional group of alcohol is OH and the secondary suffix of alcohol is OL. Alcohols are classified into three types. First one, monohydric alcohols. Second one, dihydric alcohols, and the last one is trihydric alcohols. Alcohols, they have functional group OH and the secondary suffix is OL. Alcohols are classified into three types: monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols and trihydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols, they have general formula CnH2n plus 1 OH, where N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Dihydric alcohols, they have general formula CnH2nOH twice, where N is equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. And trihydric alcohols, they have general formula CnH2n minus 1 OH thrice, where N is equal to 3, 4, 5 and so on. What is the IUPAC name of monohydric alcohols? While naming IUPAC name of monohydric alcohols, in case of alkane, we have to remove this terminal letter E and we have to add OL. So ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ alkanol. ಹೌದಾ? So while naming dihydric alcohols, for alkane we have to add diol, so it will become alkane diol. For trihydric alcohols, for alkane groups we have to add triol, so it will become alkane triol. So IUPAC name of monohydric alcohols is alkanol. IUPAC name of dihydric alcohol is alkane diol, and the IUPAC name of trihydric alcohol is alkane triol. Let's see some examples. For this case, for monohydric alcohols, I will put N is equal to 1. So N is equal to 1 is nothing but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ CnH2n plus 1 OH ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ C hydrogen, N is nothing but 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, OH ಆಗ ಬರ್ತದೆ CH3OH. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು? ಆಲ್ಕನಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. CH3 is nothing but methyl group ಅಲ್ವಾ, so it will become methanol. Next I will put N is equal to 2, C2H. N is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, C2H5OH. This C2H5OH can also be written like this: CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2 is nothing but ethyl group. So what is the IUPAC name? Ethanol. ಹೌದಾ? Then I will put N is equal to 3. So you will get C3 Then hydrogen, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 1 7 OH. This C3H7 can also be written like this: CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. So number of carbon atoms is 3 ಇದೆ, 1 2 3. What about hydrogens? There are 7 hydrogens. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? 1 2 3, propanol. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. When we put n is equal to 1, we will get methanol. When we put n is equal to 2, we will get a C2H5OH. So IUPAC name of that compound is ethanol. When we put n is equal to 3, we will get CH3 CH2 CH2OH. The IUPAC name of this compound is propanol. Then move on to second one, dihydric alcohols. For dihydric alcohols, I will put n is equal to 2. So what's the formula? C2 2 to the 4 OH twice. So this C2H4OH can also be written like this: CH2 CH2. Number of carbon atoms are 2. There are 4 hydrogens. 2 plus 2 4. There are 2 OH groups. 1 OH and 1 OH. So numbering ಮಾಡಿ 1 2. So number of carbon atoms ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 2 ಇದೆ. Ethane. What is the IUPAC name? Alkane diol. So first alkane na name ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Ethane. Then OH group present in first and second carbon atom. 1, 2 diol. Okay. Next I will put n is equal to 3. So we will get C3 hydrogen, 3 to the 6 OH twice. So this C3H6OH can also be written like this: CH2 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 OH OH. So numbering ಯಾವ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 1 2 3. So number of carbon atoms are 3. Propane, OH group present in first and third carbon atom. 1, 3 diol. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. So I will put n is equal to 3. When you put n is equal, sorry, I will put n is equal to, but ಇದನ್ನ alteration ಮಾಡ. Just I will modify this equation. The OH present in first carbon atom, I will shift this OH to second carbon atom, and out of 2 hydrogens, I will shift 1 hydrogen to this CH2 group. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ವಾ? I will shift the OH group to second carbon atom, and in second carbon atom we have 2 hydrogen atoms. Out of 2 hydrogen atom, I will shift 1 hydrogen to first CH2 group. So CH2 will become CH3, single bond. CH2 will become CH. So ಈ OH ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, CH OH and then CH2OH. ಹೌದಾ? So numbering ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ 1 2 3. There are 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3. So what is the IUPAC name? Propane. OH group present in first and second carbon atom. 1, 2 diol. So for dihydric alcohols, when we put n is equal to 2, we will get ethane 1 2 diol. When we put n is equal to 3, we will get the propane 1, 3 diol as well as propane 1, 2 diol. Next, for trihydric alcohols, so I will put n is equal to 3. When we put n is equal to 3, we will get C3H, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1 5 OH thrice. So there are 3 carbon atoms bonded with 5 hydrogen atoms. So we will write like this: CH2 CH CH2, and we have 3 hydroxyl groups. Hydroxyl groups, they are nothing but OH groups. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the IUPAC name for that compound? Numbering should be start from any end. 1, 2, 3. So number of carbon atoms are 3. ನೋಡಿ IUPAC ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ಟ್ರಯೋಲ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಕೇನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೋಪೇನ್ triols, I mean OH group present in first carbon atom, second carbon atom as well as third carbon atom. 1, 3, 5 triol. So for trihydric alcohols, when we put n is equal to 3, we will get a C3H5OH twice. The IUPAC name for this compound is propane 1,3,5 triol. Next, second one, ethers. Ethers, they have general formula ROR dash. Ethers, they have general formula ROR dash, and the secondary prefix is alkoxy. Alkoxy is the secondary prefix for ethers. So what is the IUPAC name for ethers? For secondary prefix ಏನಿಲ್ಲ alkoxy. For secondary prefix we are going to add alkanes. So we will get alkoxy alkane. So alkoxy alkane is the IUPAC name for ethers. In case of ethers, if R is equal to R dash, when both R and R dash groups are same, they are said to be simple ethers. Suppose if R group is not equal to R dash, then it is said to be mixed ethers. Ethers, they have general formula ROR dash, and the secondary prefix for ethers is alkoxy. IUPAC name for ethers is alkoxy alkane. In case of ethers, if R group is equal to R dash group, then it is said to be ether, simple ethers. If R group is not equal to R dash group, then it is said to be mixed ethers. So let's see some examples. For first case, I will put CH3 O ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Then for R dash I will put CH3. So in this case, this is R and this is R dash. So both R and R dash, they are same. Then it is said to be simple ethers. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ? alkoxy alkane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. methoxy methane. So this is the IUPAC name for this compound, methoxy methane. Next, for second case, I will put CH3. R group ಅಲ್ಲಿ CH3 ನ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, OH ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ, ಸಾರಿ O ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Then R dash, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಮಿಥೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ R ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ. R dash ಗೆ ನಾನೇನು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ? ಈಥೈಲ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, CH2 CH3. So what is the, in this case both R and R dash groups, they are different. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Methoxy ethane. Methoxy ethane. Next, third one. Now we will take CH2 CH3 as R and R dash group. So ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ CH2 CH3 I mean ethyl group ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, O CH2 CH3. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Ethoxy ethane. Ethoxy ethane. So CH3O CH3 is also known as methoxy methane. CH3O CH2 CH3. So both R and R dash groups are different. It is said to be methoxy ethane. CH2 CH3O CH2 CH3 is known as ethoxy ethane. Next one, monocarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acids, they have general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. So this is the general formula for monocarboxylic acids, or you can write RCOOH. Monocarboxylic acids, they have general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH or RCOOH. So what is the functional group for monocarboxylic acids? C double bond OH. Carboxyl group anta kariತೀವಿ. So this is the functional group. Functional group for monocarboxylic acids. And what is the secondary suffix? Secondary suffix is oic acid. Secondary suffix for monocarboxylic acids is oic acids. So what is the IUPAC name for monocarboxylic acids? In case of alkanes, we have to remove this terminal letter E and we have to add secondary suffix oic acid. So we will get alkanoic acid. Monocarboxylic acids, they have general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, or you can write RCOOH. Functional group for monocarboxylic acids is C double bond OH, and the secondary suffix is oic acid. IUPAC name for monocarboxylic acid is, in case of alkanes, we have to remove the terminal letter E and we have to add secondary suffix oic acid. Therefore, we will get alkanoic acid. So let's see some examples. For first case, I will put n is equal to 1. So we will get C H2n plus 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. CH3 COOH. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Number of carbon atoms are 2. Ethanoic acid. Next, when you put n is equal to 2, we will get, ಅಥವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We have one more general formula RCOOH. In case of R, I will put H and COOH. HCOOH is nothing but methanoic acid. Number of carbon atoms ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1. Next, ಅದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ R is equal to H. In second case, in case of R, in place of R, I will put CH3 COOH. Number of carbon atoms are 2, hence it is known as ethanoic acid. Then H I to CH3 I to. Next, I will put ethyl group in case of R. CH3 CH2 COOH. Number of carbon atoms are 3. What is the IUPAC name? Propanoic acid. Next, for fourth one, ethyl group I took. Next to propyl group. CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. It is known as number of carbon atoms 1 2 3 4. Butanoic acid. Next one, I will put butyl group. CH3 CH2 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 COOH. So what is the IUPAC name for this compound? Number of carbon atoms are 1 2 3 4 5. So it is known as pentanoic acid. HCOOH is known as methanoic acid. CH3COOH is known as ethanoic acid. CH3CH2COOH. Number of carbon atoms are 1 2 3. Propanoic acid. So in this case, number of carbon atoms are 1 2 3 4. Hence it is known as butanoic acid. In the last one, number of carbon atoms are 1 2 3 4 5. Hence it is known as pentanoic acid.